Okay.
Don't get too close, man. Don't get too close.
I know, man.
We hot out here, man.
It's good, man.
It's good, man. Feeling good, man.
Yeah.
Back
Ditto.
with another
Recent pickup.
recent
Release.
pleasant surprise,
Right.
pleasantly surprised. You know what I mean?
Hit on a certain app.
Yeah.
Never happens.
You see that? You can see that. You see what it is.
That just steal me.
You see what it is. Don't steal my joy, okay?
Of course not.
Because y'all saw early releases. Oh, y'all gonna get this. Y'all gonna get this release.
Got to, man.
Anyway, man, what's up with y'all? Thanks for checking in. It's none other than your boy J.O.
It's your boy Kali.
Another episode of Crossover Kicks TV.
Real recognized real.
And
we appreciate y'all checking out the video.
Absolutely.
Be
Absolutely.
Sure to,
on our old man soapbox.
Right. Soapboxes, man. But yeah, be sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, sir.
Because we appreciate putting out this good content, and we don't only just do it for us because we love shoes.
We do it for y'all, man.
For y'all too.
We are back in the shoe room with the highly anticipated release, I guess you could say.
Something that people were acting a donkey over.
Man.
Which,
man.
disclaimer, we don't promote any of that stuff.
Yeah.
We all for shoes and everything and having a good time getting them.
Yeah.
But it's just like when you literally knocking people out for them, like, come on.
My dude
man.
was slumped. Not even, I mean.
He was sleeping, man. Like, you can
It's not fun. It's not funny,
it's
but
not
it's
funny.
just like,
Come on, man.
where are we at, man? Anyway,
Over sneakers.
please don't
Anyway,
run up on me if I'm in line for sneakers. Like,
makes no sense.
you want the shoe that bad, you might have to spend a little bit more for the shoe.
Unfortunately.
You know, that's kind of the reason why there are places like GOAT, StockX, and now Nike.
With the refurbished.
They're gonna be selling, the refurbished joints.
Right.
So
interesting to see how that's.
And hey man, you see the Fila? We're gonna get right into it.
Straight to that foot check.
Straight like that.
Classic.
Fila 96 or the GH2, Grant Hill 2.
Yep.
The OG joints.
Yep.
Classic shoe. Gotta have it in the arsenal.
If you know, you know.
Yes.
And that's a show.
Definitely check out that review.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. And I got one of my grails. This is the Nike Zoom generation. You know, people say it's the LeBron one. It's the Zoom generation. Grail of mine. This has evaded me. Originally came out 2003. This is the 2017 retro that I recently got back in like December of last year from a GOAT. So, yeah, just had to.
Timeless.
Right.
Classic.
Had to.
That's what we're giving y'all, man. So, speaking of classics, let's go ahead and get into this box. Love what they did with the box. Dope.
Do you know why they did that?
Yeah, from the pack.
Okay.
Yeah. To pay throwback to the pack from 09. Hopefully this focuses in or something.
Yeah, that's like what they do now. Like I've noticed, they did that with the DMP6s box. A lot of threes now.
That's real dope.
Just changing things up.
Real dope throwback.
School
with the Raging Bulls. 2009 was the when these dropped with the black reflective
it was like
pack.
May of 2009.
Yep.
Is this going to be considered a slight flex? Because I know somebody hit on two of them.
Yeah. People's out here fighting in these streets, man. We ended up hitting up double the two banger. You know what I mean?
So,
man, this shit looks flat. Look how flat. See how? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
the toe box is.
But that's good though because you don't want a big huge round toe
that
box.
bubble. Yeah, the bubble toe box.
Yeah. So I can already tell you off top. If you're looking up these are a little bit brighter than the ones from 2009 from the pack. And the pack, as crazy as the hype was for this, back then it was, they didn't sell out day one. People weren't camping out fighting for them. I remember going into the Champs Fashion Square like 2 weeks after they dropped, and they were still available, readily available.
Well, what was the pack? It was like 300 for the pack? 310 for the pack?
So after tax, but 330 and change, which
so
it came out to like 165 a pair.
Yeah.
After taxes.
Right.
Now they charge 200 plus.
200.
190.
Yeah, 190 plus ship.
So yeah, man. Share the people your thoughts because we all know
man,
how I feel about red shoes.
So you see right here, I got my favorite all red shoes from Jordan Brand.
Yeah.
And of course, you know, the 4s. Was it 13?
2013.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
So these things still going hard with these things.
Tastefully done, man.
I love to bring these out. The material seems a little bit smoother on these. That you know, as compared to this. This is more like a rough kind of nubuck, if you will. This is more of your smooth nubuck.
This was
or like a Dura suede or something like that.
Durabuck. Like but these the I know this is what's considered now the longer hair suede.
Yeah.
Back then it was like this was darker and it was longer hair. Like this is short compared to the ones from
so yeah, I'm gonna put some little treatment on it. Hopefully soften it up a little bit and see what happens. But
you gonna switch the laces?
Yeah, because I like this. I like the black laces with the red. These are the 14s. These dropped last year. And
I think those look better.
Man, these things, because they're not like that super bright red as you will. I just really wanted to show these to contrast the two reds that you're getting with the 14s and the 5s. But anyway, man, I'm definitely feeling these things. Round of applause. You know what I'm saying? They got here. They made it here in my size. Got a size 10. You know, just let them go. Like not trying to. That's just helping to offset the cost. You know what I'm saying? So not a reseller or anything like that. No. If I can get a good deal out there for somebody, that's what that's what
it's about, man.
That's what it's about.
Man.
So yeah.
Got your pairs, no fighting.
No fight. Didn't even have to punch anybody, man.
It's not worth it.
I mean, let us know what you think. I know you probably seen a couple different reviews on them, but just wanted to give y'all our take on them. They made it here to the shoe room.
Yes, sir.
I mean, you good on it? Did they pass the?
They cool. Yeah,
you know.
I can't. Like I said, I can't.
Right. It's a lot of red. It is a lot of red.
But these, with the white midsoles, a little better. This, maybe they switch the colors up on the midsole. That'd be something different. But congratulations for you getting them. I just can't pull them off. The boy he keeps it a little more simple than this. You know what I mean?
But yeah, these will be rocked very soon. Yep. Love it with the 2-3 on the side. Anyway, we're getting long with it, man. Right. Yes, it is a go. It is a go. It is a stand in the sneaker room. Let us know what y'all think below. Did you cop out? Did you have to knock somebody out for these? Did you get knocked out and somebody deboed your pair? Let us know below. Man, y'all stay safe. Section, yeah, man. Comment, like below. And until next time, man.
All right. Peace out, bro.
Peace.